Good morning, everybody. This is your coach and Reiki Grandmaster Sangeeta Gupta bringing you new knowledge and information on Reiki, tarot reading, hypnotherapy, etc. for more than 25 years. So it's been a journey around 30 years now that I have been working with Reiki, meditation, and you guys and trying to bring happiness and joy in your life, and it has been a wonderful experience. So today I thought let me make a video on how people at work can actually begin their Reiki journey. So a lot of professionals these days are going for Reiki workshops because of the stress, the workload they experience at work. So people at work have a lot of issues, and from what I you guys have been sharing with me, it's like interpersonal issues. Women are facing a lot of issues with their bosses relating to, like harassment at work. So I'll be talking about those work related issues and how you can actually overcome them with Reiki. So women especially who are working, and sometimes they are working late hours, are experiencing harassment from their colleagues and their bosses. So Reiki is a very good way to protect yourself from harassment. There are certain protection techniques in Reiki which will have the person go away from you if he's trying to molest you or something like that. You create that energy field around you with Reiki that can protect you. So women can feel safe and secure with Reiki energies working on a psychic and energy level. So of course you have to use other things like, you know if you can carry those things, mirchis and chilies, and so that you are protected if somebody tries to attack you. But but when you create your energy field with Reiki, which is vibrant and positive, negative people don't come near you. So this is like a wonderful thing of Reiki, that you can prevent negative people entering your aura or your energy field. Another important thing is like interpersonal relationships, like, or when your boss is upset with you or he's not giving you good CV and things like that. So people at work can actually give healing, Reiki healings, to the mind of the other person from whom you are seeking an honest appraisals, and the boss will be most probably giving you good appraisals and will be listening to you. A lot of people experience that my boss doesn't listen to me and he prefers my colleagues and other people. So you can create a good relationship and harmony and understanding between you and your boss and your colleagues. So like a team, we are like at work, we are like a team. So until unless a team is empowered, the performance goes down. And if there are a lot of conflicts and there's a lot of competition, then yeah, the outcome of the company that you're working goes down, and the stress is taken home. So the people at home are also influenced by your sense of being stressful and being like not given full credit for your work. So guys, like, you can learn Reiki and it can really bring in peace and harmony at workplace with your boss and colleagues. So if you are in that space of Reiki in the morning, if you spend 10 to 15 minutes of giving Reiki at your workplace, and this is like called distant healing, Reiki distant healing. So Reiki distant healing will actually help you in creating a loving, harmonious and understanding relationship between you and your boss. And when the boss is appreciative of you, when you receive compliments and you are appreciative, your performance level goes higher, because appreciation and like giving credit to a person, acknowledging that person, makes your energy really go high. So on this point, I would really like you if you could appreciate and acknowledge my videos by commenting on them and sharing with them. I will get your acknowledgement and love. Thank you. And now I will talk about, like, other things as well. If you want to be learning new things at work and you have trouble memorizing, learning and getting new things, so Reiki will help you in your memory and your learning power as well. So new things are always, you need to update yourself, your knowledge, has to be updated. So when you learn, you grow. Learning, it's like a very fast moving world, and you have to every day update yourself, learn new things, learn new technology. And even I keep doing that, although I'm in my 50s, I keep doing that. So Reiki will help you learn and earn as well. So those of you who are looking forward to doing Reiki with me, you can call me. We can do online sessions for the entire company and the corporate as well as individuals. Looking forward to connecting with you. Thank you. Sayonara. Bye bye.